Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to another episode of Buy Smart, where we help you make the best purchasing decisions without breaking a sweat or the bank. Today, we've got an epic drone showdown for you. The Hiterbo drone with 1080p camera on the left and the SOTA-ON S350 drone on the right. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. Alright, let's kick things off with camera quality. The Hiterbo drone boasts a 1080p camera that you can manually adjust. Imagine capturing some rad skateboarding tricks or inspecting your roof without risking life and limb. Reviewers have noted that while the camera feature may have some lag, it still delivers good quality photos and videos. On the other hand, the SOTA-ON S350 also sports a 1080p HD camera but throws in FPV live video so you can see the world through your drone's eyes in real time. Plus, it's got a 90 degrees adjustable angle for that extra wide field of view. According to reviews, the camera is decent but requires manual adjustment. It's like having your own personal eye in the sky. Next up, battery life. The Hiterbo drone comes with 2 rechargeable batteries, each giving you about 12 minutes of flight time. That's a total of 24 minutes of airborne excitement. But wait, there's a catch. More flips and faster speeds will drain that juice faster than you can say, "Houston, we have a problem." Reviewers appreciate the dual battery setup but note the short flight time. Now, the SOTA-ON S350, it's packing 2 modular batteries for a total of 20 minutes. Not quite as long, but hey, size isn't everything, right? Reviewers mention the short battery life, but recommend it for beginners to learn the basics. Ease of use is crucial, especially if you're a drone newbie. The Hiterbo drone is marketed as perfect for both adults and kids, with features like altitude hold, 3D flip, headless mode, and one-key takeoff, landing. It's like the Fisher-Price of drones, super easy to get started. Reviewers highlight its user-friendly nature and durability. Meanwhile, the SOTA-ON S350 also targets beginners with its altitude hold and one-key takeoff, landing. Plus, it throws in 3 speed modes for when you're feeling a bit more adventurous. It's like the Swiss Army knife of drones, versatile and user-friendly. Reviewers appreciate its ease of use and suitability for beginners, though some mention it may be tricky for younger kids. Now let's talk about those special features. Hiterbo's got voice control, trajectory flight, and a handy app for capturing videos and images. It's like having a drone that listens better than your dog. Reviewers enjoy these fun features and the added convenience of the app. On the flip side, the SOTA-ON S350 is all about the fun stuff. 4-direction 3D flips, high-speed rotation, fixed-point circle fly, and even VR mode. It's like a flying amusement park. Reviewers love its fun features and find it to be a great value for the price. Finally, let's talk dollars and cents. The Hiterbo drone will set you back $79. Not too shabby for a beginner-friendly gadget with decent features. Reviewers feel it's a good value for its high-quality camera and user-friendly design. But the SOTA-ON S350 is a steal at just $59. That's $20 less, which you could totally spend on snacks while you watch your drone do its thing. Or, save it for the inevitable replacement propellers you'll need after your first few crash landings. Reviewers agree that it's a good starter unit and offers great value for money. Overall, the Hiterbo drone with 1080p camera is praised for its high-quality camera, user-friendly features, and durability, making it a great choice for both kids and adults. The SOTA-ON S350 drone is highly recommended for beginners due to its ease of use, fun features, and great value for money, although some younger users may find it a bit challenging. So which drone should you get? If you're all about capturing cool videos and don't mind shelling out a bit more, the Hiterbo drone is your jam. But if you want a fun, feature-packed drone that's easy on the wallet, the Sodaone S350 is the way to go. Either way, you're in for some high-flying fun. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description. Thanks for watching Buy Smart, and until next time, fly smart, but buy smart.